welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add lens flare effects in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply add lens flare effects in CapCut, then all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut. Once you're in your CapCut app, you need to simply go to add lens flare. So you can simply use the glare transition for cinematic scenes. So you can simply tap on any project. Once you have selected the project, you can simply go and search for transitions, and in the transition section, you can simply tap on glare. Once you have tapped on the glare transition for cinematic changes, or for more control, you can simply import a separate lens flare video overlay. You can place it on a track of your footage, set the blend mode to the screen, adjust your opacity, and simply use keyframes for movements, making it feel natural and cinematic. So if you're going to follow this method, then you can add lens flare effects in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.